Well, hey, it's Kat and welcome to my channel. I'm over 50 years old and I love makeup and skincare products, and today I am super thrilled to be collaborating with Stylevana. In case you don't know who Stylevana is, it is your one-stop online shopping spot for Asians' new trendiest fashions, makeup, and skincare. You guys, I could not believe they reached out to me and asked me to collaborate with them. They have amazing products. Some of the names that you might be familiar with: Laneige, Misha, COSRX. I couldn't wait to dive into this collaboration with them, and I couldn't wait to share the products they sent to me. So in case you're interested, then keep on watching. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to Cat's Eye Beauty. And if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Please consider subscribing. I would love it if you would be a part of my family. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Okay, yes, Stylevana. Holy moly. I was so excited to receive an email from them asking me to collaborate. Now, when you go on their website, you would be so shocked to see all the different types of makeup, skincare, fashion that you can get on this website. And they sent me some amazing products that I can't wait to dive into. I'm talking eyeshadow, sunscreen, eyeliner, and a beautiful lip tint. So let's not dilly-dally. Let's just jump into the video. Okay. So the first product I want to talk to you about comes from Thank You Farmer Sunscreen. It is their Light Sun Essence sunscreen. Now this is great for dryness. It's very hydrating and it also calms your skin if your skin is irritated. Now you do know the rule of thumb. After you put on all of your moisturizer and all of your serums, the last step in your skincare regime in the daytime is applying sunscreen. And I have tried so many different types of sunscreen, but I found the consistency of this particular sunscreen to be so light and airy and non-greasy, and it doesn't add a white cast to your face like most sunscreens tend to do. Now, the scent is so clean and so fresh, and the formula is so thin, and it just absorbs into your complexion so quickly, and it adds such a beautiful natural glow to your complexion. But it is an SPF of 50 and the consistency is gorgeous. It makes your complexion glowing, and I actually didn't use any sort of primer after applying my sunscreen. Now I do have my foundation on, and in case you're interested, I'm wearing the NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Absolutely loving this foundation, and I do have a little bit of bronzer on. I found when applying my foundation had no issues whatsoever. It did not pill up on my face, and I found it almost works like a primer. This is kind of a one-stop deal sunscreen that actually looks great on my skin. But yes, that is the Thank You Farmer 50 SPF sunscreen. The next product that I received was the SHABAMSHABAM #1 Shining Night eyeshadow palette. It is so cute and so adorable. I just want to show you what it looks like. Oh my gosh, are these colors not stunning? When I saw these colors, they immediately spoke to me. I love this peach right here, and we're gonna go ahead and swatch it right now. So let's go ahead into this first shade here. Now I would tell you the shades, but they're actually all in Japanese. Now Stylevana is out of Hong Kong, and they feature a lot of K-beauty products, so that's why I was super excited to do the collab with them. But let's check out this first shade here, and let's swatch it. I am shocked by the pigment. It's just stunning, and it's so buttery, and it's not chalky whatsoever. And I'm going to go in with this rose shade here in the middle. Check out the pigment here. I'm going to go right through here. I mean, that's a beautiful shade. Oh my goodness. And this I can see as an all over the lid shade right through here. That's a beautiful shade. And this is, oh, this color looks like a glass of wine. I need a glass of wine. But let's feel this. Look at the pigment here. Let's go over here. I'll call it my own shade. Glass of wine. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, and then let's go into this matte shade through here. Again, buttery. Look at that pigment. I'm gonna swatch it right through here. Let's see what it looks like there. Stunning. Very pretty. And then the final shade is like a gold glitter, almost like a glitter press. Oh, look at that Oh my goodness. And you know what? A lot of these Korean products are super affordable. You would be surprised. Look at that pigment. So let's just hop into a look. Okay, now I've already prepped my eyes with MAC's Soft Ochre Paint Pot, and that's my ride or die. I'm gonna go in with this third shade right through here on Real Techniques brush. Okay, there's a little bit of kickback, but I'm not angry at it. So I'm just gonna go all over the lid and see how that goes. And it's just providing just a nice wash of color. That provided a beautiful all over wash of color. But now I want to go in with this rose shade through here on a smaller Real Techniques brush. And I'm just going to go into my transitional shade right through here. Ooh, that is so beautiful. I mean, seriously, you guys, sometimes you don't need to buy a $65 eyeshadow palette. And what I love about Stylevana is that you have access to all these fantastic Korean brands of beauty. And you could spend hours on that website and find so many amazing products. I mean, look at that. That's stunning. Go in on this side. One of the products that I actually really love is called AEROPOSTLE. Sounds like AEROPOSTLE, I know. But it's another K-brand beauty that is just beautiful. They have all sorts of eyeliners, mascara, blushes, lip glosses. Absolutely love AEROPOSTLE. They actually sent me an eyeliner from AEROPOSTLE, and that's the next thing we're gonna get into. But look at this stunning, beautiful shade. It's really lovely, and it's blending so effortlessly. Beautiful. And I'm just gonna take it down a little bit. Oh, poke yourself in the eye. Now with a Morphe 507 brush, I'm gonna go into that deep wine color. I'm gonna go on the outer corners of my eye and just stamp it where I want the most pigment. And this does have some pigment here, but not to the point of being overwhelming, where you can actually just easily blend it out. Honestly, sometimes if an eyeshadow has too much pigment, it kind of scares me because I don't know how well it's going to blend out. I'm just tapping that in. That has hello pigment. It's stunning. I'm just going to bring it down just a little bit. Amazing. I mean, this palette is perfect for fall. And I'm going to bring it down on my lower lash line. Wow. Now remember, I have hooded eyes, so I'm not going into my crease. I'm actually going above my crease to open that up. But so far, it's super easy to blend. I'm going to take a clean, fluffy MAC brush and then just blend that out and bring it in above my crease. Wow, super easy to blend out. I'm in a winey mood, not like wah, but in a red wine mood. And this reminds me of like wine. I don't know why, but I'm gonna go in, stay with me, with this shade all over the lid and see how that looks. I'm just gonna tap it in. Okay, that is beautiful. Now it's a little patchy, but I think I can work with it. Look at that, okay. Now on the same Real Techniques brush where I initially went in with that rose shade color, I'm just gonna go back and blend that out. Now on a Morphe brush, I'm gonna go under that same rose shade through here and line my lower lash line. And then again, going back into that burgundy color and smoke it out. Now on a rougher brush, I'm gonna go back into this wine shade here. Ooh. and smoke again out my lower lash line just to connect it all. Ooh, that is so pretty. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna go in on this first champagne color. I'm gonna put it on top of the red and see if I can lighten it up just so I can get that sparkle right in the center of my lid. You know, it's glittery, but it doesn't have any fallout. This is beautiful. You know what? I know I do a lot of neutral looks. I get it. But I'm so on board with these colors. Just pop it right into the center. Now I'm gonna go in with AEROPOSTLE's Born to Be black eyeliner. Now this is a thin eyeliner. I think what I wanna do, let's go ahead and swatch it if I have a clean spot on my hand. Ooh, it's super creamy and super, oh, look how jet black that is. Hello, gorgeous. I'm gonna do my upper waterline and just go right under. Wow, this is so creamy. And it's so soft and creamy. I can't believe how creamy it is. And it's just going on effortlessly. See how it adds that extra little definition without weighting down your actual hooded eye? I love doing this little trick. Yes, it looks barbaric, but it just deepens up that lash line. You see? That's, oh my God, this is gorgeous. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit on the outskirts of my eye and just smoke it out. Just like that, just a little bit. You see that? I'm gonna go ahead and do my waterline. And I'm just doing the outer third portion of my waterline, just to open it up. I don't want to close up my already small eyes. And then go on the outskirts and connect it. Ooh. Oh my goodness, this is good. This is really, really good. Okay, mascara is on. Now I just went in with Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extension Mascara. You know that's my ride or die. It's such a beautiful formula. It's nice and wet. It lengthens my lashes. It's also a tubing formula. Now, I didn't get sent any blush, but in the spirit of Korean makeup, I'm gonna go in with the Juicy Pang Liquid Cream Blush. This is also by AEROPOSTLE, and I absolutely love AEROPOSTLE. They're so underrated, but it looks like nail polish. And I did a review on some Korean skincare and makeup, but I want to show you how you apply. I just put it on the back of my hand, and it just is such a beautiful formula. I'm going to take some and just tap it at the top of my cheeks and then come down to the apples of my cheeks. And I love how it just gives such a flush of color. Now, this is very lightly pigmented, so you can't go wrong with it. You just can't. But it actually makes my skin look like glass. Gorgeous. Okay, now the last and final product that I can't wait to share with you is the Chateau LABIOTTE Wine Lip Tint. Now you're talking my language, okay? In that case, hello. You guys look at this. Look how adorable that is. I haven't even tested it out. The shade that I got was Nebbiolo Red. So we're just gonna bust it out. Look how adorable this is. You guys, I can't wait. Cheers. It has a little applicator doe foot. And it's actually quite tiny, but I love it. So for better precision, right? Oh my gosh, it smells like grapes. It smells so good. Now I'm gonna go ahead, heck, I don't have a free spot on my hand. I'm gonna swatch it right through here and see how we, are you freaking kidding me? Okay, it looks like it's a tint. So bear in mind, it's a tint. So I'm gonna go in again with this adorable wine bottle. And let's go right in and see how it looks. What a stunning, stunning color. Ooh. Smells amazing. The formula is super thin, super sheer. It's not sticky at all. And of course, it's a lip tint, so, oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. It's like the perfect stain for your lips. And I love the color that they sent me. It's absolutely perfect for my skin tone. I'm absolutely loving this. This is so kitschy, so cute, but it's actually quite good. Okay, so let me go ahead and pop on the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Final look, everyone. Now, the only thing I actually needed to add was highlighter. I used the Juicy Pang highlighter, and this is actually another Korean product. Absolutely love it. It just adds such a beautiful glow to my skin without being so overwhelmingly bright. Now, I know the lip tint doesn't exactly go with the eye look, but oh my gosh, every single product I actually really like. The sunscreen, the Thank You Farmer sunscreen. Beautiful formula, wasn't greasy, didn't leave a white cast to my face. It actually made my skin look lit from within. It has an SPF of 50. It's totally easy to travel with. It has a clean, fresh scent, and it's just beautiful. It's a beautiful formula. Anything with an SPF of 50, that's all you're going to need. Beautiful, beautiful. Loved how it made my skin look glowy and like glass. Absolutely love this Thank You Farmer SPF Sun Project Light Sun Essence. Now, let's talk about the Shabam Shabam eyeshadow palette. Okay, here's the thing. I didn't think it was gonna perform as well as it did. I was super shocked. The colors are rich, they're pigmented. I mean, look at this eye look that I got. It's literally stunning. You would not believe it would come from something this tiny and this affordable. That's what's so fantastic about Korean skincare and makeup products. They're affordable. Now, do you have to dig and do you have to look on their website? Yes, but Stylevana makes it so easy for you to find exactly what you need. Everything from skincare, fashion, to makeup. This is stunning. I think it retails for like $10, and I will have a code linked down below so you can get a discount on whatever you order. And I am absolutely loving this eyeshadow palette, you guys. This is definitely a winner. And let's talk about the AEROPOSTLE Born to Be black eyeliner. I mean, eyeliner is eyeliner, I get it. This is almost like a kohl consistency. It was so creamy and so easy to apply to my waterline. It's not smearing, it's not hard. It just has that perfect consistency between creamy and firm where it doesn't smear or smudge. Super comfortable on the eyes, super easy to blend, as you can see. Oh my gosh, I'm like hitting it out of the park today. Yes, and the absolutely adorable wine lip tint from LABIOTTE. My French is horrible, I apologize. Super cute, super kitschy, but oh my gosh. Look how adorable that is. And it just has such a smooth formula, smells divine, not sticky whatsoever, and it just provides such a beautiful color. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am absolutely thrilled with everything that Stylevana sent me. Everything from the eyeshadow to the sunscreen to even the lip tint. I can't even tell you what my favorite product is because they're all fantastic. So yeah, I will leave a code and a link to their website to Stylevana. You have to check them out. You would have so much fun checking out all of their skincare and makeup products. But in my next upcoming video, I will be doing a review on I Heart Revolution, everything from eyeshadow to lip gloss to, yes, finally a mascara. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I would love it if you'd be a part of my family. And for more reviews on makeup and skincare, check out these videos over here. But for now, mwah, mahal kita, I love you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Thank you, Stylevana. Oh.